Because we're a company made up of church volunteers, we understand the backbone of a church production is not paid staff. So when we design AV systems, we got to understand the person behind the audio console, the person behind the video switcher, the person behind the lighting. Their day-to-day isn't technology. Their day-to-day might be office work or, construction. And they come in and they serve, and their vision and their goal is aligned with their churches, but maybe the experience isn't. So the first thing is that from a design perspective, we try to design systems that are easy to use. We talk high automation, we talk high backbone in our systems, so that a single button press accomplishes complex functions. This is why it's so critical for us to understand exactly what a church is trying to do, so that we can program in the flexibility, but also like the user friendliness. So it's touchscreen panels with easily well-labeled controls. And for us, it's also very high on training. For us, training is almost like its own phase in the project. We kind of put it in the service part of our kind of 4-step process rather than in the installation phase. Because with training, we really look at it as though we're coming alongside our customers to build them up. It's almost like discipleship, like what a church would do with a small group. We spent months with this customer and learning what they want to do, their creative vision. And so then we're going to come alongside their technical teams and go, hey, here's where your church is trying to go. Here's the gear we've put in, and here's how you bridge that gap. We are very often with our customers on their first Sundays using the system so that we can worship alongside and see the impact that the technology has on that church's ministry. One of the things that we understand is that churches don't need to make the jump from, volunteer to hyper-professional overnight. So we try to structure our trainings in like 101, 201, 301 kind of format. So a church, we give them a lot to chew on, and then we let them play with it for a little while, and we come back a few months later and we teach a 201 that goes, hey, here's all the things that your system can do that, you've really wanted it to do, and guess what? It can do it because we planned for it on the front end. So really, we see training as like this long-term investment that we make in our customers so that they get the most out of the systems that they purchase.